Hello children, good morning. In this class we are going to see question tags. What is this? Question tags. Let's see what is question tags. A question tag is a short question at the end of the statement. Question tag is a short question at the end of the statement. For example, he is a doctor. The tag is isn't he. Short question at the end of the statement. Statement ஓட எண்டில் ஷார்ட்டாக கேட்குற ஒரு ஃபார்மேட்டை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோன்னா question tag அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். It is used when asking for agreement or confirmation. For what purpose we are using this question tag? For confirming. ஒரு விஷயத்தை கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்காக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற ஒரு ஷார்ட் ஃபார்மை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்னா question tag அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Okay. Let's see the basic formula for your question tags. They are called verbs. These verbs are called helping verbs. These verbs are called helping verbs. The first one is is, am, or, was, were, has, have, had, does, do, did. These are all positive helping verbs. For these positive helping verbs, there are some negative helping verbs. The format for is isn't. Negative format is isn't. Am is aren't or ain't. So that I have given you important symbol. It is not amn't. Amn't nu varadu. Amku mattum enna varum அப்படினா aren't or ain't. இந்த ரெண்டுத்துல ஏதாவது ஒன்று தான் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணணும். Then the third one is or. Aren't, was, wasn't, were, weren't, has, hasn't, have, haven't, had, hadn't, does, doesn't, do, don't, did, didn't. The next one is can, can't, could, couldn't, will, won't, would, wouldn't. Shall is shan't. It is not shalln't. Okay, the spelling for shan't is S-H-A-N apostrophe T, shan't. Should, shouldn't, may, mayn't, might, mightn't, must, mustn't, need, needn't. The last one is ought to, that is shouldn't. It is not ought, not like that. அப்படிலாம் வராது. ought to க்கு shouldn't அப்படி தான் வரணும். This is the negative format for ought to. There are some rules in question tags. Let's see rule number 1. Let's see rule number 1. Positive statement, negative tag. This is rule number 1. If your statement is positive, your tag should be in negative. Statement positive ஆ இருந்துச்சுன்னா tag negative-ல எடுக்கணும். Okay? For example, he is naughty. Statement is positive. ஏன் statement is positive? இங்கே not, no அந்த மாதிரி words எதுவும் இல்லை. So that it is positive. So tag is isn't. What is the subject? He. They are good. Helping verb is are. So or. Statement is positive. So tag must be in negative. Statement positive ஆ இருக்கு, tag negative-ல எழுதணும். Aren't. Subject is they. I am a player. Statement is in positive. So am. Here the helping verb is am. Am உடைய formula aren't. What is the subject? I. Or else ain't I. Because am formula is aren't or ain't. Then the fourth question is he can lift. Helping verb is can. So can. Statement is positive. So tag must be in negative. Can't. Subject is he. Can't he. Then rule number 2. If your statement is negative, your tag must be in positive. Okay? Statement negative irundha tag positive la irukanum. I couldn't finish it. Couldn't negative la irukku. So have to write in positive. Could. What is the subject? Could I? Kapoor is not a lawyer. Statement is in negative, so you have to write in positive. Tag must be in positive. The helping verb is. So is. Kapoor is male, so the pronoun he. Is he? A negative statement, positive tag. Okay? Negative statement, positive tag. Then move to the rule number 3. Rule number 3 is main verbs. What is main verbs? There is no any helping verbs. உன்னுடைய ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டில் helping verbs இருக்காது, டைரெக்டாக main verbs தான் வந்திருக்கும். ஓகே, am, is, or, was, were, do, does இதெல்லாம் எதுவும் இல்லை, டைரெக்டாக we are having main verbs. He plays cricket. So if it is, isn't, or, aren't அப்படின்னு எழுதியிருப்போம். Here main verbs தான் இருக்கு. So if main verbs are there, does, do, did should be replaced. இது யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் எழுதணும். He plays cricket. If you are going to use does, present verb plus yes. Present verb plus yes இருந்துச்சுன்னா does எழுதலாம். Does. Statement is positive, so tag must be in negative. Doesn't. He. Subject is he. He played cricket. This is past tense. Past tense formula is did. So did. Statement is in positive, so tag must be in negative. Didn't. He. Subject is he. Didn't he. They play cricket. Only verb. Only present verb. Only verb. So present verb, what is the formula? Do. Do. Statement is in positive, so negative. Don't. Subject is they. Don't they. Then the rule number 4 is negative words, positive tags. There are some negative words. You should use positive tags. And the negative words irunduchina positive tag edukanum. Verb plus yes, does, verb only verb, do, past verb did. This is the formula. What are the negative words? No, none, little, few, rarely, hardly, barely, scarcely, neither, never, seldom. These words are called negative words, so that we use positive tags. For example, she rarely goes to films. She rarely goes to films. There is no not. இங்கே not அப்படின்லாம் கிடையாது. ஆனால் this statement is negative statement. Why? Here rarely. Rarely is negative word, so that we use positive tag. What is the main verb? Goes. Verb plus yes, does. Does. What is the subject? She. Does she. Positive tag. Okay. I seldom talk with him. Seldom is negative word. Seldom negative word. Talk main verb. Main verb only verb. Only verb இருந்துச்சுன்னா do. Do. What is the subject? I. Do I. Very few boys go to temples. Few. Few is a negative word. Verb is go. Verb is go. Only verb do. do they. Boys னு இருக்கு, so that plural. Do they. Boys னு இருக்கு, so they அப்படிங்கிற pronoun சேர்த்துக்கிறோம். He hardly helps his friend. Hardly is negative word, so that tag must be in positive. Verb is helps. Verb plus s, does. Subject is he, does he. There is little water. Little is negative word. Little is negative word. Your tag must be in positive. Verb is. Is here. Subject is there. Got it? Next, your rule number 5. Rule number 5 is commands and request. What is rule number 5? Commands and request. In that, the first one is suggestion. If your statement is in suggestion, உங்களுடைய statement suggestion இருந்துச்சுன்னா, suggestion வந்துச்சுன்னா, the formula is shall we. Formula is shall we. Let us go. They are asking a suggestion. Let us move. It is also a suggestion. So answer, that is tag is shall we. We no need to bother about whether it is a positive statement or negative statement. We just want to see only suggestion. அது பாசிட்டிவ் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டா நெகட்டிவ் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டான்லாம் பார்க்க வேண்டாம். சஜஷனாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஷால் வி. காட் இட்? நெக்ஸ்ட், தி சிம்பிள் ரெக்வெஸ்ட். உங்களுடைய ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டு சிம்பிள் ரெக்வெஸ்ட்டாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா, கம் வித் மீ, ப்ளீஸ் கெட் மீ சம் வாட்டர். அப்போ சிம்பிள் ரெக்வெஸ்ட் ஃபார்முலா இஸ் வில் யூ. ஓகே, சிம்பிள் ரெக்வெஸ்ட்டுக்கு ஃபார்முலா என்ன? வில் யூ. கம் வித் மீ. வில் யூ கம் வித் மீ? வில் யூ ப்ளீஸ் கெட் மீ சம் வாட்டர்? Then the third one is urgent request, that is emergency request. Call the police immediately, send the mail quickly, write fast. These are called urgent request. If your statement is in urgent request, the tag is won't you. உங்கள் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் வந்து urgent request இருந்துச்சுன்னா the tag is won't you. The last one is impatient remarks. Impatient remarks. What do you mean by impatient remarks? கொஞ்சம் கோபமாக சொல்லுறது. Keep quiet, listen to me, be attentive. These are all called impatient remarks. If your statement is impatient remarks, the answer is, that is the tag is can't you. Got it? Suggestion means shall we. Simple request means will you. Urgent request means won't you. Impatient remarks means can't you. Okay children?